A permutation is an arrangement of distinct objects in a particular order. Order is important. Yes, let me explain this using an example. Suppose there are three numbers 1, 4, 8. How many numbers we can make using these three numbers or three digits, right? So I can, as an example, I can say 148, 148 or 184 and 418, 481, and also we can make 814, 841. So there are 6. So how do we find this without writing these numbers? We have three numbers here. There are three numbers. Therefore, number of ways we can make a number with three digits. With these three digits, you can say factorial 3. We have 3 and we use all of them. Therefore, we can say factorial 3. Now go to the example. Example, consider the experiment of arranging 10 distinct books on my bookshelf. Right. Assume you have 10 distinct books, okay, different books. Then how many ways you can make? Okay, you have 10 books. Again, you have 10 books and you use all books to arrange, right? You don't pick only 10, only 6 or only 8. You pick all of them, right? Therefore, this is factorial 10. I know, I assume you know what the factorial is, right? So what is the factorial 10? If you need to know, factorial 10 is, you can say 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 time, 6 time, 7, 8, 9, 10. So multiply those and get the number. Right, go to the question. Assume each outcome S is equally likely if there are 5 math books. Okay, so let me write down this information here. So I say math books, how many? 5. Then 3 physics. Or I say physics, how many? 3. 2 chemistry. Okay, chemistry, how many? 2. What is the probability that a randomly selected arrangement will keep like subject book together? Okay, now let me explain this step by step. Okay, right. You asking a probability, right? Asking probability here. So what I do, I define an event. I define the event. I say A is like subject books kept together. Okay. Right. So now let me explain this way. Okay, you have 5 math books, right? Okay, what I do, I say all books, 5 books are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so let me make some numbers here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you have physics, right? How many physics? 3. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 physics book. And the last one is C, chemistry. How many? 2. Okay, 1, 2 chemistry book. Right. So how many different ways, right? 5, 3, 8. Yes. So let me consider this way. Now suppose you bundle these math books together. Okay, these together, you bundle them together, and similarly this and this. Now how many total you have? Three bundles, right? This is the first one, second one, third one. So how many ways we can change this tree? How many ways we can change this tree? Okay, the only bundles, right? Not in the bundles, but whole thing, right? So we have three, therefore three ways we can put them together. So I am going to find the elements of A. Okay, so that is 3 factorial, because 3 bundles and 3 factorial, right? Now think about the first one. First one is this: how many books? Here 5 books, 5 math books, right? So we can change the books in this group, right? In the group. So we have 5 books, so we can change in factorial 5. That is the 1 2 3 4 5 1, or you can say 1 3 2 4 5, or you can say 1 3 4 2 5. Similarly, you can change this one factorial 5. Therefore, what I do, I use factorial 5, okay, to this factorial 5. Then actually to yeah, then go to the next one anyway. Go to the next one. So next one, how many books? 3 books. So you can change in the group, therefore how many ways? Factorial 3. So you know that is factorial 3, and similarly other one factorial 2. You can change only one, right? You see that 1 2 or 2 1. Only 2, that's factorial 2 anyway. Right. Then by the MN rule, how do we find the total elements or total number of ways for the event A? Multiply them together. Okay, this answer is 8640. Okay, so that is the elements, number of elements of event A. Now they are asking probability. What is the probability? Okay, now let me explain probability of A. What is the probability of A? We know number of elements of A divided by total number of elements. It means actually elements in S. Okay, we know already elements, number of elements in S, that is here. You see that, right? Well, without any conditions, because we have 10 books, so we arrange all 10 books, right, without any condition. So that's the number for the S. So you can say 36288800, and then at the numerator we have 8640. Okay, so if you simplify this one, you don't have to simplify, or you can leave like 0 cancel out, then you can simplify by 2, and you can do that way, or you can use calculator. So then you can get the answer this. That is the probability of A.